playing Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Now, from what I heard, it is a horror game, created by Scott Cawthon. He said that this was gonna be the final one, and since, you know, Granny Panda, like, played it already, like, she asked me if I wanted to play it. This is the first version. I really don't plan on playing, like, the Halloween edition. That thing, like, came out, like, yesterday, or Halloween, or somewhere around that. I really don't know, but whatever, let's get on with it. I'm actually gonna continue on night 2, because I think I know the strategy to this game. I've seen, like, a few YouTubers play it, like Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, like, I don't think Jacksepticeye, would ever be able to complete the Five Nights at Freddy's games. Like, he said he didn't complete the 2nd, 3rd, and I already know for certain he didn't complete the 4th. So, you know what, this is going to be a blast. I'm really certain, because Granny Panda asked me to play this game. She really did. And I'm really concerned about what is actually going to happen. So, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? Oh dear. Okay, so if I do hear breathing, I have to hold the door shut. This isn't like the latest update though, so it is going to be pretty hard. It's going to be hard, I bet. It is going to be way harder than I expected. It ain't responding or anything. It's not responding. I'm gonna get an I hear a little something going. What is that? It won't respond every time I, like, look back somewhere. Oh, what in the world? What? No one told me about this. This is absolutely insane. I swear, when Granny Panda gets here, she's gonna be in a heck of a lot of, you know what it's. And yet again, it won't respond. There's, who are the characters to this game? I have no clue whatsoever. He won't again. I'm assuming it's from this door right here. There you are. Wait. Okay. I saw something from there. Who is that? I do remember one of the characters, and that's Foxy. Ah! Oh! Hello there! Hello? Oh, hello. Oh, you are so adorable. Well, ain't that amazing? That didn't quite get me though. I'm gonna try that again, see if I can make it. You know, cause when I get to 2 a.m., pretty sure. Okay, so I did hear breathing. It's just, I, like, opened the door after I heard it. So I gotta use a different strategy this time. I gotta try to use a different strategy. Okay, so go to check this door. Alright. Now check behind the bed. Gotta check this door right here. Hello? No, I don't see Chica anywhere. I don't see Chica. There's you. Now, Foxy doesn't appear on the door until, wait, I hear pots and pans. I do hear something. Okay. Nothing seems to be happening this far. I literally don't hear anything. I don't hear any breathing. Okay. Where the heck? What was that? I heard something. Bonnie! Quit creeping up on me. The lights, oh. Oh crap, it's... What is seriously wrong with this? I can't move my mouse. Oh, there we go. I thought I was dead. I thought I was literally... I'm done. Well, that is literally absurd. You literally just don't go up to the door and just scream at a crying child. Like, seriously, I'm like, what? I'm 15, and seriously, this is the most scary game I have ever seen play. Granny Panda, we're gonna have a nice talk when we get home.